Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30181, the Creator Helicopter. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video and you enjoy the LEGO Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing and also turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these Polybag build-alongs, one a day, for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, there's more coming. If you want to build along with me, if you look in the description, there's a link where you can find this set on Amazon as well as on Bricklink. And there's also a link to the brick set description for this particular set if you just want information about the set itself. There is also a link to a Google spreadsheet where you can find information about my Polybag build-alongs, past, present, and future. So if you want to either find out about some of the ones I've done before, there's links for that. And if you want to prepare ahead and maybe get the Polybag in advance so you can build along with the future one, then there's also links in the spreadsheet for that. It links information and has the schedule for upcoming Polybags. Actually, while I'm thinking about it, if you enjoy stuff related to like Swiss Army knives and like everyday carry pocket toys and everyday pocket toys, pins, that kind of thing, then that's weird. I feel like that's a strange choice for that particular thing. But I'm guessing like that. Alright. I have some of those videos coming up as well. I'm keeping my normal schedule for Swiss Army knives and pins and stuff like that. So those are also coming up in the future. Anyway, so what do y'all think about the Creator Polybags? I've been liking the vehicles that have wheels. I don't know about this particular one yet, but it looks kind of interesting, at least. So let's see. That goes there. We have some more orange cheese wedges for the front part of our helicopter. I tell you, one thing that I'm enjoying though is I've been enjoying these Polybags. They're like a fun little daily diversion where, it's just kind of something just random and interesting to do. Alright, so let me not get ahead of myself too much. So I gotta do this. So it's going to be alternating white and black 1x2s. That takes care of that. I kind of feel like this is just the decorative part of it, almost. Because they could have just used like what would that be? A 2x6 there? And it would have just sort of knocked it out really quick. But because of I guess it's just decorative. Alright. So that's taken care of. Now I add these in. That one. And another 2x2, another orange 2x2, right there. And then the grill. And these two things, 1 and 2, like so. Alright. So we stack 2 of these on the front. Kind of interesting, I guess. So interesting little effect. And then 2 on the other side. And then we have cones facing backwards. So, alright, that's cool. Kind of neat. So that takes care of these. So, this is the body of our helicopter so far. Now, we're building the tail separate, I guess. Alright. So, like this. Like so. Maybe another one of these right here. And the little clip. Get that. Actually, these are kind of cool. Like 1x6s. Yeah, 1x6s. Alright, so 1 and 2. And then we have the 1x6s on top of that. 1x6 number 1 and 1x6 number 2. I tell you what, I like the way that like the new tiles look, like unplayed with. Just kind of neat. And we add in the wing and another cheese slope to sort of finish out the tail. And then in order to get the rotor, so it's going to be like this, like that, and it's going to clip in here. So that gets us that. That does not move at all either. That's locked. Alright. So I got that, and then this piece goes like so. Like that. That's looking pretty good so far as a helicopter, isn't it? Alright. So next what we do is we build up this bit a little bit. That goes there. And then we add in our little turntable. Like so. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we put the little one piece on top to cap it off, and ta-da! We have helicopter. That's not so bad. I like that one. That's a pretty good looking little helicopter. I gotta tell you, I run into it a lot with the micro ships in the polybags. They always seem to be bigger once you get them in hand than you think they're going to be from the polybag. Like just looking at the polybag, you don't expect that to be very big, but I mean it's not enormous by any stretch of the imagination, but it's bigger than I was thinking. Oh, extra piece wise, we get these. I don't know. I tell you one thing, I kind of feel like, no, if you replace these with tiles, it wouldn't work because you couldn't put the little cap on it to sort of give them the extra support they need. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do you like the Creator helicopter or not? I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.